We won't be able to tell.
No.
So right there.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah. Now it's regular reading.
Alright, so that connector goes there. We already know what goes to the alternator. These two go to the alternator. That thing you just pulled off of there, it's called an alternator. What it does, it charges the battery.
Oh.
Whenever the truck's running. Alright, so that goes to the alternator. This here, it's gotta come off. This right here, we gotta be real careful with.
Is that the fuel line?
No, this is a vacuum line, and it's a dealer part only. So, I'll leave it there for now. I think these are... What's up, Miss Smith? Alright, this is a 10 millimeter repair as a run. So, you can better take that, see those two up, those other two bolts.
Did you take it out?
Yeah, take those other two bolts off. Because this is the wiring harness right here. This has got to come off.
You're hungry, Casey?
Huh?
Are you hungry?
Stay hungry. Stay hungry.
So I take that bolt off at the top?
Yeah, those two. They look just like this.
Alright, yeah. My move.
Yeah, you
But
gotta
what's wrong
come
with
on.
this? Don't break this plastic.
Yeah, this right here, you can kneel on this. Put your knees on that. That's what I do. Whenever you get a vehicle, you're gonna have to do this.
Are you tightening or loosening it?
No, you don't understand the function of a ratchet yet, do you? Okay, you're gonna learn today.
I've showed them. They just forget. Look, Azran. When it makes that noise, it's going towards the way. You just gotta look at it. Lefty loosey. You'll see it. That's going left. You flip it the other way to tighten it. Now it's turning right. If it's making that noise, it's not going anywhere. So you gotta make sure.
Just feel it.
Right there, it's not. You think you're loosening it, but look. Now the bottom part's turning. You see how it's turning? You'll feel it. Here. Just make sure you don't drop that screw, bro. If it falls back there, I'm gonna have you fish it out until you find it. I think you should do it, Casey, because it's old. It don't break it, bro. Since the truck's old and all these parts, that's right. I think from 2005. It's over 20 years. It's almost what, like 20 years old. So these plastic parts are in here with the heat, so they dry. And you touch the road, like on the Lincoln, even the stuff in the front, the headlights, you touch it, it breaks.
Alright, things in it. Grab that case and bring it over here, please. I can get to that better because I gotta reach back here to get it. I don't want to break anything because it's kind of tight. So, go ahead. These are your fuel injectors here. You're going to disconnect these, pull that little clamp, there's a little thing. Wiggle it off. I don't know if y'all can see that. These are little lock pins here. I ain't got much.
Do we have more, Noah? You want a body armor, Casey?
What? You know what's up? Need that. Need that. And this is a brake booster here. Before, and make sure we record this, before we put this intake back on, we need to connect that brake booster.
Hold on, let me stop it. Say it again, Casey.
Before we put the intake back on, we need to connect this brake booster because it is tough to put back on when it's back there. Trust me, from experience. We could just take it off right here. But
here you go, Casey.
Appreciate it. Bonnie Arbor sponsored us too. I don't know how many times I hurt my hand trying to put that brake booster back on while the intake was on. figure it out. Alright. We disconnected all the fuel injectors. So it's almost time for the intake to come off. We gotta come on this side because there's 4 over here. So that means there's 4 over here because this is one of the good old 70, the Z71. You know what I'm talking about? 2005. Here, come over here so you can see. Oh, I was talking to you. I brought the crowd.
Crowd.
Alright. These are fuel injectors down here, if you didn't already know. This is a throttle body. We're going to disconnect that too.